How much do you need in order to make $1,000 a day trading penny stocks? Guys, in this video, you're going to have an idea of how much you will need in order to make $1,000 a day trading penny stocks, and also how much you need the stock to move by in order to make $1,000 a day trading penny stock. This question, guys, comes up time and time again, so let me just bury it here with this video. So hopefully you will have an idea of how much you will need and also what you will require. You will get value here, I promise you, so make sure to smash that like key and turn that notification on so you don't miss these kind of videos. And also, if you're new to my channel and you get value, don't you forget that subscribe. Now what? How much money do you need in order to make money trading penny stocks? Now, guys, we're just going to use $1,000 a day as a benchmark, and we're actually going to go over how much you will need to make $1,000 a day and more in this video. So before we get into this video, let's just look at the average price a penny stock will move by. By the way, here we trade specific days and specific penny stocks and specific sector, which is biopharmaceutical penny stocks. And majority of these penny stocks will release news articles that will influence them to spike significantly in value, like 10% to 100%, sometimes even 1,000%. So let's look at this penny stock, right? On average, the price. This penny stock moved by 15% or $1.70, guys. And before that, it was actually 25%, but then it reversed. So that's one penny stock. So the average is 15% or 20% here. Another penny stock is AMTX, costing $1.30. Now that stock moved by almost 100%, guys, or 66 cents, as you can see here. And then it also pulled back and gave us 28 cents, right? Another penny stock is ABIO. This is a penny stock that we all traded. As you see today or yesterday, it moved by $2.52. That's now $20. And it was costing just a few days ago $5. So obviously it moved by 200%, guys. Now that we know the price, the average it will move by, and we know it's going to move by minimum 23 cents or so. But let's look at the maths part of things, which you don't have to be an expert really to understand this. So some of you think you need $10,000 or so, guys, in order to actually make money trading penny stocks, but that's not the truth. So, guys, let's just look at the maths. Let's say you saved up $3,000. Let's say you saved up hard-earned cash $3,000, as you see here. Now, there's brokers that give you this thing called leverage. Obviously, you can trade with $3,000, and I'm going to use that because you see under this $700, that's also another example I'm going to give you. So let's just go over the $3,000 example. $3,000 is how much you have saved up, and you want to buy 4,500 shares, correct, of a stock costing $2. So 4,500 shares of a stock costing $2. The total money is going to be $9,000, but obviously you don't have $9,000, you have $3,000. But some brokers like SureTrader will give you this buying power, this leverage. Leverage is just a little loan they give you on daily basis. If you need it, you can use it. So it's just a buying power that allows you to use their money to buy stocks and then exit the position and then give it back at the end of the day. And obviously you will pay a small fee. So that's leverage. So leverage, let's say you get 1 to 3. So you put in 3,000, you get 3 back. So 3,000 by 3 is $9,000. And $9,000 by $2, or $9,000 by 4,000, or $2 by 4,500 shares is $9,000. So you're going to buy 4,500 shares. Now you need that 4,500 shares to move by 23 cents, or one share to move by 23 cents in order to make total profit of 1,000. Now what is 23 cents of $2, guys? It's not much, right? It's only 10%. So you noticed in many of the previous stock that I showed you, they moved by 15% or so. So yes, it is doable to make $1,000 a day and take the 23 cents. Now, obviously, you don't have to wait to take the 23 cents. You can just take 15 cents or so, or you can go for the 43 cents. 43 cents means that money here is going to be less, right? It means you're gonna actually buy few shares, like 3,500 shares or so, and you're not going to use the $9,000. You're just going to use, 5,000 maybe, and you still come out with $1,000 profit. Okay? Now, Zed, I don't have 3,000. That's fine. Let's look at the other example of $700. They're going to say, Zed, $700 once again. I don't want to use leverage. Well, here's the thing. You don't have to use leverage. Like you've seen here, guys, you need something like $9,000. If you want to go in and take 23 cents from a penny stock costing $2, you will need $9,000. But if you don't have $9,000, then you're going to use leverage. $700 is how much you need, right? And let's say you go in with the 4 leverage, X4. Like Short Trader gives you X6 or X9, I think. Total money is going to be $2,700. I'm using this example because of my students here. Here's one of my guys that made his first real trade. And as you see here, another guy said, hey, you made $200 on a 2.7 account, but you didn't see under it. I didn't show it. Under it, he says, I used leverage. I put in $700 and I used leverage that Short Trader gave me, and I think it gives you 1 to 6 or 1 to 9. So he uses leverage, and he had $700 coming out with 200 profit. So yes, it is doable, and here's one of you guys proving it. Also, another person down here turning 2,500 into 1,000 profit in a week. That is pretty good, guys. That is pretty good. You know, on a 2,500 account, turning it into 3,500. Pretty good. That's the same person I showed you making that 30% return in the space of a day or an hour trading ABIO. So that's a different scenario. So yes, these people are being consistent with their trades, guys. And yeah, that's the 30% return right here. So all of this can be seen on my website, guys. But yeah, I'm just showing that as an example that says, hey, $700, you use leverage, you get 2.7K, and also you get to make $200 a day. Now, let's say you don't want to use leverage. Well, that's fine. That's fine, guys. Let's just go with your real money, right? So your real money is here. Okay, so you will need $9,000 to buy a stock costing $2, and you get to have 4,500 shares. All right, and the price movement, you can wait for 23 cents to make total profit of $1,000. Again, 700. If you don't have 700 and you don't want to use leverage, then just go in with 2,700 and you will get out with a stock costing $2. Now, he took a trade on LTHM. This person here, it was LTHM, that stock. That was the trade. 24 cents, or he took the buy position, which was 11.91, but I think it was a short one. But that is the way to trade with very little capital. Now, guys, leverage is for those that know what they're doing, and I know you might have that money and you think you know it all. You don't. The best thing you can do, guys, is educate yourself before going into the market, because I guarantee you, sooner or later, you will wipe out that money. These people have been practicing, and that's what I say. Practice, practice, practice. Then, when you're ready, you see yourself being consistent and understanding how the market works. Then you can come back, and then you can add your money, your hard-earned money, and start trading with leverage or non-leverage. So, now you know how much you will need. You will need anything 10,000 and under. But if you have you don't have 10,000, you can trade with 3,000, $700, etc., etc. Okay. See you again for more videos. Smash that like if you enjoyed this video, guys. If you got some value, don't just leave without smashing it. Smash it. Turn notification on, and yeah, learn from my penny stock tutorials, guys. And if you want to have a look at more of the success of these students, just look at my website. I share some of those. Look, for me, making odd money here and there, doesn't faze me. The only thing that phases me is to be consistent with your trades, and you know, some of us are being consistent, and that's good. But make sure to look at my tutorials, guys. And if you're gonna say, hey, this stock doesn't move by 23 cents, you're saying, yeah, it does, because I just showed you proof, and we know the exact day when these penny stock will move in value because we trade biopharma penny stocks. Okay, biopharmaceutical penny stocks. Prove it for yourself. Open up a demo account, learn, practice, test it out. And yeah, the course is always going to be in the description. If you want to join the Discord group, make sure to get it. It's in the description. See you again, guys, and I'll see you for more videos. And if you're new to my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because I guarantee you one thing, you will get value on my channel. See ya.